What's up, bro? Cześć, babciu. I texted her. Bro, Mihaly, we do have music. My dad sends me a picture of an Aston Martin Valhalla just driving on the road. I mean, not the Valhalla, the Valkyrie.
Let's see, me and Mike. I'm calling it me and Mike up.
Wait, the music. No music is playing. It is. It's just quiet. Bro, it is. I can literally hear it on my. It's through my mic. Alright, we're looking for a beautiful expansion here, guys. We can get a good close-up of this body here on the 15 minutes. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. We did have CPI today that engineered. CPI didn't really do much. We ended up just making... Did we make equal loads with it? No, we didn't take it out. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. We are live. Bro, the chat is so fucked up. Like, it doesn't want to show me it. Unless I, like, full screen the app. But even if I full screen the application... I can't see my entire chat. Now I can. Okay, I didn't know that's what I had to do. When I go like that, then I go like that. Alright, there we go. Bro, I literally hear it on my own stream. Do you stream on email? Alright. Do I stream on email? No. Bro, look. When is live? God. When is live? Motherfucker, I don't fucking know. Rumi Holly, I saw a GT3RS yesterday, and you need to get one again, bro. It's insane. The more I wear this watch, the more I love it. Bro got his bitch in the back. Yeah, for real. Oh shit, did I not put a thumbnail? I don't think I put a thumbnail. I was thinking with getting an RS or McLaren. RS what? RS3, RS4, RS5, RS6, RS7, GT3 RS, GT2 RS, GT4 RS. Racing Sport Trackhawk RS RT. There's no coffee. Just waiting for an expansion above these highs. I think it's gonna be really, really good. I don't think we need to take out sell side. We already pretty much took out sell side pre-market since we've just been going overnight. We've been letting these like stack up. Now let's look at ES. I want to take, okay, so ES is actually kind of plummeting. It's like ES has been cleaner, but it's also been chopping at the same time. It's a little weird. Are we in a bit of the same scenario? I mean, it's just more displacement on ES. We're getting a heavier retracement here. Getting some bigger pullbacks, but yeah, I mean, shit, we are right near that 50%. Did we get it? Let me put this like perfectly. No, we didn't. Not at least of this range. Damn, okay. Maybe on ES we got it. Oh, super close, which I don't think it really matters. It's pretty much at that level. We're facing heavy rejection. Do have midnight open. 5-minute gap up here. Music is tough. Let's do some deep house. This is literally AI, bro. This is tough. Gotta share the live with your jits, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, well we clearly are expanding up on NQ. I might have to catch an IO Fed on NQ over here. It's just a little tricky because like we're literally about to take, like, I don't want to say that shorts are the move. We're not at all-time highs, so we could be shorting this market. We could be shorting as soon as we take out this high. It could be another seek and destroy day. It's either going to be a beautiful expansion. The only way I'd want to see, like, not the way, but I definitely want to see, like, you know, if we push into this one out, because we can always catch an extended move. We don't have to catch the whole thing. Like, I want to see us push into, like, a gap and then invert. You should inverse the gap. Like, we inverse that. We're really looking like we're due for a reversal here. Both indexes are starting to pump. ES is in this 5-minute. I think if ES inverses 5-minute, we can get along. We'll have to see. There's just a whole bunch of buy side and sell side liquidity on the table here. Obviously, the target today would just be riding it up to all-time highs. Ooh, do we just like we push down heavily on that. I see heavy rejection right after we touch VWAP. Insane rejection. Crucial VWAP rejection. perfectly aligns with the via bob, and we are starting to push down. But I think we might have to long it though. Oh, we're getting just bearish rejection. I think this is the IO Fed entry though. I think I'm gonna go with this. This is just a higher bias. It's a bigger sort of, you know, move that we're looking to catch. 150. I think we can ride this bitch. Or shit, 190, and then this barely go. We can go all the way up to midnight open. These high. You don't even have to have like a buy limit. Oh shit! I just missed my entry. Did not think it was gonna expand that much. All right. Well, this could be a good trade. I don't know what I want to put my stuff to, but we'll have to see. I think we'll go target like, maybe we could literally just go target like this high or some shit. Like that's good. Go for that high. Then we just let the trade play out. Playing out beautifully so far. Absolute expansion up on the highs. I think we are due for a W trade today. Let the bid play out. Or you know what? We should probably just target sell side. Actually, I don't know. Alright, let's let us expand. I really want it. You know what? I'll set this as like a partial or some shit. Right now we are just expanding. Oh my god, you guys can't even see the screen, bro. You dead ass. Who told me? No one told me. I think I'll just do like, yeah, I'll just partial there and let it run. Gonna cut some risk. Perfect. Not the greatest reaction. I mean, it's 9:45, new 5-minute candle. You gotta be patient. Ooh. Let's get a good wick off that. I'm not fucking with that. That is a big wick. Big down candle. Please let that be a wick. Don't want to get get stopped out here. Yeah, it's not looking good. Might close. Just in case it wants to make equal lows, we'll go a tick lower. We're gonna get stopped out here. It's rough. Rough reaction. What are we reacting off of? I mean, don't necessarily need to react off anything. It's just gonna move. We gotta push up here. Alright, no worries. It's just a trade. W cut risk on that. We only lost $150 on that trade. I'm perfectly fine with that. It's fine. We'll look for a re-entry. We'll look for whatever else price is doing. If it's gonna seek and destroy, it's gonna seek and destroy. It is what it is. Yeah, it was looking promising on both indexes as well, but just didn't play out. I just wanted to manipulate a little more. Maybe fill in this 2 minute, push back up, but we'll have to see. Or maybe we even got wicked out. You know, we'll have to see. Be a little frustrating, but it is what it is.
Checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune into the live. His ass better get.
Alright, if we can get an inverse here, I think we got wicked out. Super strong bias. I'm gonna stick with my bias unless we continue to push down. We have this 15-minute gap, but it's kind of irrelevant. I don't think we want to keep re-referencing. I think if we keep re-referencing it, it's not a good sign. Yeah, we're probably just gonna want to take a sell side on ES. And right now, I'm very happy with my reverse management. We took a 150 loss, completely fine. We can easily make that back and make more with one good trade. So I'll definitely be looking to take that. I just want to see us inverse this 1 minute gap, and then I'll be in longs again. But it's actually not looking like it's gonna give us that, unless we start reversing now.
His ass better get checkmated, bro. Tune
Tune into the live. Did we? Definitely had to get that shot on ES. Damn, we didn't. Yeah, but I think it's just a matter of spread type shit. Alright, yeah, that's looking like a little bit of a seek and destroy profile right now. We're going to want to take my hands out of this market. For now, we're going to wait till ES takes sell side liquidity and then see if we can get a reverse off that, or if we're just going to chop. We just start ranging in this. I mean, it could be looking a short. I think shorts could be a move. I think we could try to look for shorts on, I mean, that's actually a really nice IO Fed right there. I think if we're gonna go get sell side, we might as well be a part of the move, because the fact that we're disrespecting the bullish order flow here, even though our profile is still relatively bullish, our bias is bullish, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. With a failed distribution, like, we're bound to go take out some sell side after taking out minor buy side. Now, do we have to do that? No, but I think it makes for a good profile. I mean, right now we're actually starting to turn back up after filling in this 1 minute, so longs might be the moving, and I just want to see this gap get inverse. I just want to see us break this high, start getting bullish order flow, pick up a little bit, and then we can go back for our original targets. What was my partial? My partial was like right there, bro. Are we dead ass? I'm gonna get in this bitch. I see just a little bit. Oh yeah, it's a good fill. Perfect. Take this. Like, I'll partial and then we'll literally just hold that bitch for days. And partial was at this high. And then, bro, we can go target, like, I mean, shit. If we want to catch this reversal, bro, go target this shit. And then I'll still have a partial. This partial should make up for the loss, maybe. It's a bit of the same entry. It'll make up for most of it, which is good. So in case we just partial and then we don't end up, going for full TP, it is what it is. Let me move this like a tick lower. We'll go full out. We'll let this play out. We'll see how this goes. Oh god, I need to move this up. And move my tools out the way. Alright. Inverse, so 1 minute inverse play. I think this can play out. Inverse up to the all-time highs. It's looking solid. It is looking solid. Okay. Not a great reaction. Gotta see us start turning up like immediately. Okay. There goes my stop. Okay, quickest loss I've ever taken. That's that. Down $400 on the day. Not good. It is what it is. I'll take it. Price is just not respecting anything today, so it's okay. It's one of them days. I mean, if we're just gonna range today, then I'm probably just gonna step off. I mean, might as well play chess. Yeah, for real. Nah, I think we're just gonna be patient, wait for another entry, but I definitely want to cut risk. It's kind of annoying, bro. In Q, I can only go 2 fucking units. Because I can't fucking partial, otherwise I gotta go for these. Horrible profile today. Absolutely horrendous profile. Why was stop loss so small? It's not necessarily small, it's just at a point where if this, like, my stops are placed based on a point where if it gets hit, if price goes to that level, then the overall idea of the trade going where I want it to sort of is invalid. Like, look, if I had my stop here, and then I'm like, okay, if I think that if once price breaks this level, it's not going to be like bullish anymore, right? So the trade is not going to get sort of respected, then I'm going to put my stop there, because look, we push past it and we get stopped out and price continues to push lower, so I'm saving myself from losing more. And even if I had my stop here, there's no point, because if this is the trade idea, based on this trade idea, price should not go below this low. Yeah, I might take profit aims for the sky because because of my bias. Because my bias is right, then we shouldn't necessarily be having rejection below these lows. And look, even if my stop loss was here, or if it was bigger here, or if it was bigger here, it's most likely about to get taken right now. But the reason why I was here is because I believe that if price push below this level, then we're probably going to keep going down. We're probably going to disrespect it. We're probably not going to, keep going with bullish order flow. See, like, I saved myself from losing. Like, let's see. If I was scared of my stop getting hit, right? My entry was like like here, and my stop was here. I saved myself. If I put my stop here for no reason, I would have lost $400. If I put my stop here, I'm losing $500, and I'm only doing that to make like 1,000, and that's only like a 2 RR, which isn't bad. But if you look at my account size, I only have $600 left to play with. I have $1,000 drawdown before I blow the account. So it's not about playing it conservatively, but the thing is that because it's a smaller account size, I have to trade like less units, but then I can't partial. I can't take like. So is this 150 or the 25? This is the 25. The 25 is funded. This is a funded now. I passed the eval. See, look, took out sell side. Now we can look for longs. It's a little rough, but I mean, it is what it is. Now we have SMT. Now we don't have SMT, but like, I'm having an issue with my 25. I gotta get it fixed. It's like disabled for some reason. I'm like contacting support. Shit got disabled for no reason. But hey guys, if you blow your accounts like me, make sure to use code OLLIE for 40% off your My Funded Futures purchase. It's absolutely a saucy purchase. Yeah, not a great day. I mean, it was beautiful. Price was genuinely setting up beautiful. We have all these stacked up lows, and we decided to just expand and reject immediately. Look, we're absolutely dumping. I would have lost all this much more money if I hadn't put my stop there. But yeah, it looks like it just wanted to take out some. I mean, this could be a sign that we're slowly heading back into not a bearish, but I mean, this is probably just a big retracement in the daily chart. Like that, it's technically like I'm fine with losing today because everything I did was right. Everything I did was right. We filled in this 4 hour. I literally filled in this daily fair value gap. Started reacting, like started pushing up off of it. 9:30 had a last leg of manipulation expansion. 1 minute fair value gap. Enter off the expansion, and it just didn't work out. And then I'm trying again because we just got another bullish confluence. Didn't work out. So price isn't respecting our model today. Just like I lose, some people win today, but on the days that I win, people lose. Like some people with a model that's completely opposite from mine. Like you have winning and losing days, but what matters is your risk management. But the thing is, it's kind of difficult to manage risk on this. You know, minus $400 on a 150K. I mean, on a 25K account. When your balance is that's almost half the account gone. So if I kind of have like 3 more trades I need to win. If I win 1 good trade, I'm back up at break even or something, or even more. But and if we were to, I mean, I could have shorted this. Look, see, could have shorted this. Put the stop at the high of the gap. Go for a quick 1-to-1. Not even a 1-to-1, but like shit. If we turtle soup this low, I'm gonna be so happy. My god, that's beautiful. Alright. Now I could be looking we could be looking to actually catch the move. If this isn't gonna be the move, then this day is very low probability and we're gonna have to sit on our hands and come back. God, this watch is beautiful, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna take the turtle soup just because already the day has been proven to me that it's low probability, so we're just gonna go for base hits. I don't think the whole day is probably, I mean, maybe like Asian session is gonna expand us up, so we'll have to see. We might have to come back for PM session and whatnot, but we're definitely gonna want to cut risk if we can get a good trade. I only want to risk like $100 more, 150 on another trade, otherwise I'm gonna get out of the market. But it is looking like a pretty nice turtle soup right here. Like if this is the low of the day that we're, not the low of the, I mean this could be the low of the day that we're forming, bro, I could just go for this up to the high, and that's putting us $300 in profit. Now, yes, this is like a 10R, but it's turtle soup and it's reacting off this 1 minute, so I don't think I'm gonna take it. Yeah, market is checkmating us right now. It is looking like it wants to just sort of sell off. That's not a turtle soup anymore. I mean, if we body up here, but I doubt it. This would have been a bit, yeah, it's not gonna body up. 13, I mean, 13 seconds, we'll see. Calculate risk, and I'll set my stop at the bit. We'll have to see. Go for that. That is the basest of base hits. Not a turtle soup. Okay. Just gotta sit on our hands. There's a big 1 hour gap here. So it's a big 4 hour gap. Same as the 1 hour. Maybe we want to push into it, but today has proven to be low probability since our high probability entries are not working. CPI. Oh, Fed chair nomination vote? That's a thing on Forex. That's tough. Yeah, you could say it's accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but like, what are you targeting with this? This 0.91 RR. Shorting in a market like this is very difficult because it's like there's targets, but you'd be targeting sort of like, I mean, look, we're respecting this 1 hour gap like crazy. Beautiful closing above the gap, which is nice. Once, twice, 3 times close above the gap. I mean, this new hourly candle just opened, but I think this hourly candle could push us up for sure. I think this could be the expansion candle, or this could be the continuation candle, but definitely want to expand at least back up above those highs. Just want to be patient. It's hard because that's a really good entry, but we just get this huge down candle where these markets are like fucked. There's no anything. Fucking Trump, bro. Shit, bro. Trump markets have been so hard to trade. Bring back the Biden markets. Like I didn't trade for them because I wasn't into trading, but I back tested that bitch, bro. So clean. All right, we have a 5 minute gap on the table now. If this can get inversed, or if we can catch an IO Fed, or if there's an entry that shows up, this is gonna be a big determination factor. It's gonna help us play out. Oh, puta. It's rough, bro, because this 1 hour is actually a pretty good entry. I like swing this. It's too big of a stop though. Trying to catch the whole fucking move. Alright, we're getting an expansion here. If we inverse this 5 minute, we are golden, bro. I mean, bro, that's like kind of beautiful, but we just take those lows out, slow out, and then, you know, it's kind of annoying because we already took out like a few highs, bro. We pretty much took out buy side, but there's still so much left to target, and I think it could get hit. But if we're gonna face rejection off of this, then it's kind of dead. Unless, I mean, like I said, we could fucking. It's such a big stop, bro. Even if it's 1 unit, it's such a big stop. Only that to make fucking $800 if it hits, and we gotta hold that for like a day. It's just ugly, bro. We are heavily slowing down. We're expanding. We're in this 5 minute. If we reject, which we are, it's not looking great for our longs. Minute 22 to inverse this. 2 more 1 minutes, sweet. Oh god. Are we gonna inverse this 1 minute? We gotta pretty much close with consequent encroachment. So we're heavily rejecting. Heavily rejecting. Really difficult candles to trade. Obviously we can look at the higher time frame, which we are, but looks like we just wanted to take out sell side. ES is already starting to shift structure. NQ as well. It's pretty bullish, but I mean like shit. Gotta catch an IO Fed, but it literally might just be doing this and just be like whoop, 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 whoop. I mean, I see it like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. There's no other lows to go to. Yeah, we have a gap, but it's like if we're starting to get bullish order flow, might as well just, you know, go for the entry because it's could be worth it. I mean, on the higher time frame, this is a pretty nice looking, like, you know, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but the distribution is a manipulation leg and we expand up. But it is 10:15. But I think we can still catch this. I think this is going to be the last trade of the day. Put our stop like this low, I think. Stab it, and then we just go like, I mean, shit, we go for sell side again. It is a bigger trade. Oh god, it's a horrible fill. It's okay. That's good. Right. Take the 5 minute inverse. It's already rejecting. I mean, it's in this 1 minute, so shit. We'll see. Gotta see this expand here. Hit my daily loss limit. I'm a retard. Fuck. loss limit, motherfucker. Forgot about that bullshit. Alright, well that's that. Well, can't trade no more. See you guys for Asian session.